In a concerted effort to safeguard the Umiam Stage 1 dam's safety and functionality, the Minister in charge of Power, Abu Tahir Mondal, led a high-profile delegation overseeing the dam rehabilitation and improvement project DRIP works on January 11, 2024. This visit, focusing on the dam and its spillway bridges, aimed to evaluate the progress of the crucial DRIP tasks like drilling and grouting. Discussions were held with representatives from MS ITD Cementation India Limited to ensure adherence to engineering guidelines. A.T. Mondal emphasized the dam's significance and praised collaborative efforts for a secure future. A key decision was made to replace damaged roller rocker bearings assigned to ITD Cementation and MS Sanrachana Structural Strengthening Pvt Limited, prioritizing adherence to standards and minimal traffic disruption. Traffic management measures were reinforced to enhance safety around the dam. The chairman cum managing director of the MEECL, Sanjay Goyal, highlighted the project's commitment to infrastructure longevity and safety, emphasizing the meticulous work undertaken. The government of Meghalaya's dedication to citizens' well-being and sustainable development remains steadfast, underscoring their proactive approach to ensure the Umiam Stage 1 dam's efficiency.
Has been approved by the all the CWC checked by all the.
These are as per IS code. What is written in the IS code? This is the practice everywhere.
So without disturbing original structure, the rehabilitation repair is different. Repair.